What's going on, guys? Today in the shop we're working on the Suzuki Samurai. This unit has a non-smog compatible carburetor, so we're going to be putting the stock carburetor back on it. So let's get to work.
We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading, call it suicide of the older generation. What keeps you up at night, yeah, make all the demons quiet, yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Keeps you up at night.
So this is the new carburetor. Got it out of the bag. Right off the bat, notice there is a little nipple broken right there, so I'm sure that goes to something. Got our bag of stuff. So we got a manual. Gonna get it all figured out and get it done.
Generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah, make all the demons quiet, yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah.
Alright guys, I think I got everything pulled off. And now we can just go ahead and pull the carburetor off.
Yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it bluff.
Alrighty, so now we need to figure out what parts are on here that we need, and if there's any double parts that are already left on here. As you can see, there's a lot of vacuum hoses just kind of laying around, things capped off. So time to figure out where everything goes. Alrighty, so first thing I went to put on these gaskets, and as you can see, holes don't line up. So we need to take out these Allens and hopefully move these studs from there to here and be able to bolt on the new carburetor. And the kit did come with new plugs or new studs, so we are going to replace all 4. Alrighty, you got the new carburetor dropped on. Time to get it all hooked up, find out where some of these hoses go. We got the new carburetor all installed. Everything's working just fine. So, alright, so the rig's been sitting for a little bit. We're going to do a little cold start on it and make sure everything's running right. So she wants to move on us. Fires right up. See, she is cold. So you can hear that choke working. Running just fine. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy with that. We got the stock carburetor all put back on, all the vacuum hoses connected where they're supposed to be. The vehicle's running great.